Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys, today I am unboxing the DJI Neo. I pre-ordered this baby and it finally came. Finally came on the second day of Prime Day. This is a mini drone with 4K camera. It's a self-flying drone. So we're gonna unbox this thing right now. I will do more videos as I start using it and show you how it works and everything. Let me get my handy knife here, open this baby up. Oh yeah, make sure you got this security tab on your box. If you don't have this green security tab on there, if it's broken, that means it's been tampered with. You can use a controller to get more capabilities on it, but you don't need a controller, you don't need anything. It's a self-flying drone that can follow you and takes 4K video. It's stabilized video, built-in propeller, has guards on it too. And as you guys know, DJI is the top of the line as far as drones, top dogs. Here's the box here. Look like we got a little accessory pack right here. So let's open this baby up and see what we got inside of there. Let's open this up. See, we got some propeller. We got a propeller in here. There's one. Let me open this up again. Okay, we got two extra propellers there. Type C. We got type, I think it is. Let me see. Let me double check it. Type C, charging cables. And we got a screwdriver, so you could do some repairs. You have to replace some of the propellers. You could take this baby out, man. You could be hiking, riding the bike, just walking. Doing some park, just messing around with the dog at the park, and it automatically takes 4K video. I got it. It's the easiest drone by the top dog company you can get. This is a pack of stickers. Let's open this up. Yeah, we just got some little stickers here. You don't need to register this drone. No FAA registration. It falls below the limits. No registration. You don't even have to have a remote IDs. None of that's required because of the lightweight. Yeah, they just give you a bunch of stickers here. DJI, how to set it up. Little sticker, how to set it up. Instruction manual right there. Yeah, 4K video, 30 frames per second, 12 millibytes. 12 millibytes on the photos.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It supports 4K 30 FPS, detail, highlight, and shadows. It's also, if you use it with the app, it's voice activated. So you can give it voice commands if you're using the app. Remember I told you if you do the app, you'll get more capabilities, So let's open this. This is the main drone right here. So this is the main event, what you're waiting for. This is the DJI Neo. Yes, sir. DJI Neo. That's how light it is. It's small. This thing is small. I was surprised. Here's where here's your lithium battery right here. Slide that down. There's your battery, and it charges right there. So you have to actually put the battery in to charge. You can't charge the battery separately. And right there, there's your propellers right there. Type C charging. It's real light too. Real light, so I don't think it'll be. I'm not sure about heavy winds. Probably gonna be swaying a little bit. Some of the videos I saw, I think it was swaying in heavy winds, but it's solid though, nicely built. DJI top dog. Here's the little button, your preset button right here. Like I say, you could just use that when you begin and you set it up. I'm gonna maybe do more videos, show you how to set it up and everything. But I'm gonna hold it, yeah, so right there. I'm gonna hold it in my hand just to show you. The 4K cameras on the front and everything. Got the camera cover, right there. These are little propellers. You could pop them off, replace them. Look how small it is. I've got, I got small hands. And look, that's how, look at my hands right there. That's how it fits. Just like that, right in my hand. So I'm glad I got this. I pre-ordered it. I saw some videos on it. I need a drone that's real simple, real easy to operate, that's beginner friendly. That I can just start right out the gate and get some fantastic 4K videos. All those other little drones you buy that are real cheap. It don't really be 4K or HD. It don't even really be HD video. This is by DJI, the DJI Neo. This is what you get. This is the unboxing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you on the next one.